my goodness, this thing is crazy.
Cool. Flint, can I try?
Let Flint try it.
Maybe take it to the playroom so it doesn't hit towards the stairs.
Whoa. Cool. Flint, take it to the playroom. Try. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Try just making it go straight, Flint.
Try and make it just.
Well, turn it a little bit. See how fast it goes. Just push it forward. Yeah.
Wow.
Cool.
That's pretty
Can I
fast.
try something?
Lila, give him a second, honey. He just started to play with his new toy.
She wants to play with it so bad.
I know. It's so hard.
Well, can I have a turn after you?
He's going to be playing with it tomorrow while he's going.
May I have a turn after
Oh,
you?
he's just actually going.
No,
What, listen.
he'll get lots of non-Lila time.
Wait, listen, I'm trying to ask you something. Can I have a turn after you? No. What? I said, can I have a turn after?
Wait, let me see it.
Oh, sure.
Can I have a turn after you?
Whoa! Can I try something now? Sure. Try to go
Wow.
just.
That's nice, Flint.
Good sharing, Flint.
Whoa!
Don't, hey,
Let
Flint.
go of it.
Flint, you shouldn't push it like that. It's bad for it.
I want to try to go like. Well, let me show you something with Flint.
Give him back his remote, baby.
Cool, I made it turn.
Okay, let him have it back, Lila.
Here's what I need. It's like a racetrack. Look at my car.
What's it doing? Ah! It's coming to get me. No, don't get me. No. Ah!
Oh, cool, Dad. This is a very fast spy paper.
Whoa.
Yeah, my
Went
car
right-
won the race. All right. Go.
My car won the race. All right.